if you've recently faced security checks on your Steam account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to ensure you regain control of your account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you are prompted with security checks, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check your account security settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Review your security settings, including two-factor authentication and recovery options, to ensure they are up to date. Step 4. Review recent activity. In your account settings, look for the section that shows recent account activity. Check for any unauthorized transactions or changes. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Steam support immediately. Step 5. Contact Steam support if necessary. If you are still unable to regain full access after following the previous steps, visit the Steam support page. Submit a ticket detailing your issue and any steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Steam account. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Steam support for assistance.